Let me show you how easy it is to cook a prime rib with meter. The first thing we gotta do is to trim it. I like to remove all the external fat so my seasoning will stick. To have a beautiful presentation, I like to French the bone. I like to add a lot of seasoning, and for that I'm partially removing the bones. Season it well with your favorite barbecue rub. To make sure it won't fall apart on you, make sure you trust in it. Set up your meter for beef and choose your desired temperature. Stick in your thermometer, set up your grill, and the meter will help you through the rest. In the end, you're left with a perfect prime rib. And that, my friends, is how you cook a perfect prime rib with meter.
Home to the mountain.